Alright, so we're out here another day at the shop. The last video you guys seen the car getting sprayed. So the next thing that's gonna go down is trims. They got most of the trims, the body trims done. The next thing is now the rear glass trims that need to get addressing. So you guys can see, you have a lot of discoloration and peeling. So what they're gonna do right now is address all that. And while they're doing that, I'm just gonna work on the IS. Just gonna wash it, give it a little quick detail because it's in dire need of a detail, and probably do a little engine mod, something small, you know, just to rice it out and give it a little personality. But yeah, we'll let them get to work and we'll start working over here. Alright, so originally the Supra was going to be getting the HKS high flow, I can never remember the proper name for this, but it was going to get this filter. But with the new intake pipe that we made, it's going to be a bigger diameter, so we're going to require a bigger intake filter. So I already placed that order. So for the Lexus is going to be getting this HKS filter along with the carbon fiber wannabe shield that I had gotten for it. We're gonna replace this cheap little intake. So practically, intake filter, shield is gonna sit right about there, just to enclose off, you know, the air and just make sure that it's getting the coldest air possible. It's gonna be very minimal gains in reference to like power or whatever you want to call it, but you know, it's just a little cool, you know, spice for the engine bay. And I don't know, I just think it looks cool, so we're gonna get to that. Obviously, before any of that goes down, I want to give this whole engine bay a little cleanup because it's been a good minute since it's been clean and it's a little dusty, so gonna give it its little treatment. Alright, so for the most part, the engine bay is now clean. As you guys can see, it looks much better, much cleaner. So now, it's time to take off the filter. Alright, filter's off. Next, throw on new filter, which is the HKS. Alright, so the install is pretty simple. Just clamp this on with the worm clamp. Just throw it in and tie it down. I'll have a link to an actual install video that I did prior to this. You guys can check it out there. Alright, and there we have it. It does look a bit small, but it's all fine. You can always order another one. Just have this one up for sale or just decoration. Alright, so going back to the Supra, they're actually taping off and addressing the, the rear window trims. So on this side, they're still working on it, still taping everything off. But on this other side, let's come around this way. You guys can see it's already pretty much masked off, almost ready to go. We'll let them work. We'll just keep cleaning up the IS and just addressing the IS. So one of the first few parts are out. One of the body trim. It's a nice satin finish, as well as the front windshield cowl. I like it's coming out nice. Alright, so I tried using the pressure washer. I don't think that should be happening. So we're just gonna have to disconnect it. And use Old Faithful. Alright, so they're officially laying down paint. So check it out. Getting there. Alright, so the Lexus is now washed back here, and the trims are pretty much done, as you guys can see, right there. And it seems like the only issue we did encounter was on this trim right here. It seems to be peeling off for some reason, I don't know why. The guy who was painting the car pulled off the little edge of trim. I guess he pulled this off. I'll have to give him a call and let him know about that. But everything else seems to be doing okay. I don't know how well you guys can see, but you have a satin gloss, really pops. Very reminiscent to the OEM, and that's really what I was going for. These are still masked off. I'm gonna be peeling off the masking tape off probably right now in a bit or maybe tomorrow. But yeah, everything's pretty much done for paint now. The only thing that really needs to get done now is the paint correction and the paint protection film, which is going to be done to the front bumper only. And that's pretty much it. Yeah, that should pretty much be it for this video. So like, comment, and subscribe, and I hope you guys are enjoying the videos. You know, all 2021 content is going to be coming out every Friday, so turn on that post notification bell and make sure you guys are up to date with the videos. See you guys around.